In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a Jitter template and export your design. We'll move from a blank start to a finished export, keeping things simple and clear. First, go to Jitter. Open the website in your browser or launch the app if you already have it installed. You'll land on a clean workspace where everything you need is easy to find. Next, go to Templates. This is where Jitter showcases ready-made designs you can build on so you don't have to start from scratch. Templates are organized by use case, and they're a great way to get professional motion graphics and layouts with minimal effort. From here, go to Devices. Choosing the right device setup helps you match the exact size you need, whether it's a phone screen, a tablet, a laptop, or a widescreen format. Picking the correct device early saves time later and keeps your design crisp and properly framed. Now look for the template you want to use. Browse the categories, skim through previews, and think about the vibe or purpose of your project: social post, promo, or presentation opener. If you see multiple options you like, it's okay to open them and compare how the motion and layout feel. Once you've found a match, select the template. This opens a detailed view so you can confirm the style, timing, and structure. When you're ready to make it your own, click on Duplicate to edit. Duplicating creates your own editable copy while leaving the original template intact, which is helpful if you want to experiment or roll back changes. Now edit the template. Replace placeholder text with your message, update colors to match your brand, and swap images or logos as needed. Adjust animations by tweaking timing, easing, or layer order to get a smoother flow. If your design is device specific, keep an eye on safe margins so nothing important gets cropped. Play it back often to check pacing and readability. Short, clear lines of text usually work best with motion. When you're satisfied, click on Export. Choose the format that fits your destination: video formats for motion, GIF for lightweight looping animations, or image frames if you need stills. Set the resolution to match your device choice and preview the export settings so your file stays sharp without being too large. Then confirm the export and let Jitter render your design. And that's it. Done. You've gone from picking a template to customizing it and exporting a polished result. If you want to refine it later, just open your duplicated project and keep iterating.